In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Google Slides. Being able to fade images not only enhances your presentations, but also allows you to creatively highlight content. So let's dive into the process of adding this simple yet effective touch to your slides. First things first, head over to Google Slides. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL for Google Slides, or you may already have a shortcut if you use it frequently. Once you're on the sign-in page, make sure to log in using your Google account credentials. It's always useful to keep Google's two-factor authentication handy in case you need that extra layer of security. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to access any presentations you've been working on. For today's tutorial, we'll create a new one. So go ahead and click on blank presentation. This will open a fresh canvas for you to work on. Now let's add an image to our slide. To do this, click on the insert menu in the top navigation bar. From the drop down menu, select image. You can upload an image from your computer, search the web, or even use Google Drive. Choose the method that suits you best and select an image file you'd like to play around with. Once your image is on the slide, we need to add an animation to achieve that fade effect. Let's head back to the navigation bar and click on animation. This will open the animation sidebar on the right hand side of your screen. If this is your first time here, don't worry, it's quite intuitive. On the animations panel, you'll see options that allow you to select the type of animation you wish to apply. Since we're focusing on fading an image, look for the fade in animation, click on it and you'll see the image preview with the animation effect. To fine tune your animation, you may want to adjust settings like the duration or the start condition. Try experimenting with these settings to achieve your desired effect. You can test the animation to see how it looks by clicking the play button in the animations sidebar. And there you have it, an image that gently fades into your slide, effortlessly adding a professional touch to your presentation. Implementing such animations not only enriches your content, but makes your presentation more visually engaging and impactful. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you add some flair to your presentations. Don't forget to innovate and explore other animation effects as well for an even greater impact. Happy presenting.